Earning money as a student in India can be a great way to manage expenses, gain valuable skills, and build independence. The best way for you will depend on your skills, interests, and available time. Here are some popular options to consider. Online opportunities. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, editing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance, freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer flexible opportunities to work remotely with clients worldwide. 2. Online tutoring. If you excel in academic subjects, tutoring online platforms like Udemy, Chegg, and Schooly allow you to share your knowledge and earn while helping others. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram account focusing on your hobbies or expertise. Once you build an audience, you can earn through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 4. Online surveys and microtasks. Participating in surveys and completing microtasks on platforms like Swagbucks, Price Rebel, and Amazon Mechanical Turk can provide a small income stream, though it might be time-consuming for the pay. 5. Data entry and transcription. If you have good typing skills and attention to detail, data entry and transcription jobs can be a steady source of income, often requiring minimal prior experience. Offline opportunities. 1. Part-time jobs. Numerous part-time opportunities are available in retail, food service, customer service, or data entry. These can offer regular income but might require fixed schedules, making them less flexible. 2. Tutoring in person. Tutoring local students in your area can be a rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn money. Building a network of students through recommendations can lead to a consistent income. 3. Selling crafts or handmade goods. If you enjoy crafting or have artistic skills, selling your creations online or at local markets can be a fun and profitable way to express yourself and earn money. 4. Internships. Many companies offer paid internships to students, providing valuable work experience and potential connections for future careers. Look for internships related to your field of study for the best fit. Tips for success. Focus on your strengths and interests. Choose an earning method that aligns with your skills and passions. You'll be more motivated and likely to succeed if you enjoy the work. Manage your time effectively. Balance your studies with your earning activities to avoid neglecting your academics. Create a schedule and stick to it to maximize your productivity. Be mindful of scams. Be cautious of online scams offering quick and easy money. Research platforms and opportunities thoroughly before investing time or money. Stay safe online. Protect your personal information and online accounts, especially when working with freelance clients or completing online tasks. Remember, earning money while studying should be a positive experience that complements your academic goals. Choose an approach that works for you. Prioritize your studies, and enjoy the process of learning and earning simultaneously. I hope this information helps you find the best way to earn money as a student in India.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.